Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So right now what you see in my screen is a Tableau dashboard, right? And if you notice it closely, the text that we see in the report is not completely visible, right? So actually I've built this dashboard in my old laptop, and recently I had to shift onto a new laptop, right? So when I opened the same dashboard in the new laptop, and this is how it is visible to me. Initially I was a little panicked because all the other views that I have in this dashboard, I have almost some 9 to 10 views. So all of them had the same problem, right? So the first thought for me was to sit and adjust the font and everything in all the views. So I thought that would make it correct, but again it is a tedious process, and it's not just the text. If you can see, the text boxes that I have put here are also misaligned here. So the reason why this is happening is because the display settings are different in the old and new laptop. So I just revisited my old laptop. So if you can go to the display settings there, so if you see the resolution and also the scale and layout, so the resolution of my old laptop was 1366 into 768, and let's keep these changes. And the text size was 100%, right? So I've set this to the same thing, and let me just reopen this dashboard again. I hope this will come back to the normal state. Okay, so this is it. So I just reset the resolution and the text size same to the one that I had in the old laptop, and everything is set to normal state, right? So if you're also facing the same issue, if you're shifting to a new laptop and if you see the same thing, don't get panicked. Follow this tip, it will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching my video.